Oof. So, natapos ang araw natin. Dito tayo sa Zermatt in Switzerland. We are gonna be sleeping here. And can I just say that definitely, ito na yung pinakamagandang scenic route na nakita ko din sa talambuhay ko. Glacier Paradise sa Matterhorn is the best. That's it. And even this town, this little cozy town ng Zermatt, it was very vibe. Daming turista, daming tao. At today, it is, yung nagsimula tayo, ang goal natin talaga is marating yung Matterhorn. The trip itself to here, yung Glacier Express, I would say, mas marami talaga siyang valleys, peaks and troughs going to a lot of towns. Mas marami ding stop compared sa Bernina Express. By the way, ganda ng church na to. But mas in-enjoy ko siguro yung Bernina Express, to be honest, because Bernina route. Bernina Express route, I should say. Kasi mas marami siyang bends, curves, mga steeps, tsaka yung paborito ko yung Alpruan, yung talagang nakikita mo yung tunaw na glacier, papunta siya dun sa waterfalls. Alright, and that's it. Zermatt, Switzerland is a place to be, promise. So, a couple of tips. Number one, you need to prepare to hike. Hindi basta-basta to Zermatt. Doon ako nanggaling, bubuhatin mo yung bag mo unless, I got stuck. Unless gusto mo mag-hire ng taxi na mahal din. Secondly, plan for the hikes that you do. So ako kanina, I went to a place called Fury. Actually, yun yung first stop ng cable car. I was meaning to go to Swartsee, pero found out na napakalayo pala niya. But yeah, the routes here, typical na bundok. Hindi naman siya mountain climb unless talaga lalagpas ka siguro sa may Swartsee area. Or you can take the cable car actually all the way to Swartsee and yung mga ibang places pa nung stop, and then hike down to the town of Zermatt. Yun yung ginagawa na lahat, halos lahat